Episode 56-OI January 2, 2024. Sputum Biomarkers in WoodSmoke COPD. Arizona MD calls for stricter PM2.5 standards. WoodSmoke and COPD Sputum Biomarkers in WoodSmoke COPD. Medical Press Sputum Biomarkers in Wood and Tobacco Smoke Etiotypes of Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease. Published December 30, 2023, Volume 2024:19, pages 1-10. Arizona, Tucson. RAWSEP View. This opinion piece below by a medical doctor asks who would oppose stricter PM2.5 standards. 23 GOP senators, led by Senator Shelley Moore Capito, Republican West Virginia, and including Senators John Barrasso, Republican Wyoming, and Cynthia Lummis, Republican Wyoming, and the National Association of Manufacturers. This article lists the supporters of stricter standards for PM2.5, Senator Edward J. Markey, Democrat, Massachusetts, Representative Raul Grijalva, Democrat, Arizona, and 84 other members of Congress who wrote a March 28 letter to the EPA strongly supporting the proposed more stringent standards. Also, the American Lung Association, the American Heart Association, the American Cancer Society, the American Medical Association, the American Academy of Pediatrics, the American College of Physicians, the American Public Health Association, and the National League for Nursing, among other medical and health organizations, co-signed an October 10 letter calling on the EPA to update the proposed more stringent particulate matter standard. Local opinion. Easy decision on stronger EPA air standards. Arizona Daily Star Particulate matter air pollution, especially from fine particles 2.5 microns in diameter or smaller, which may be only 1/30th of the diameter of a TUCSON opinion. Local opinion. Easy decision on stronger EPA air standards. An MD special to the Arizona Daily Star. December 30, 2023. The following is the opinion and analysis of the writer. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to residents against WoodSmoke emission particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Regarding the December 22 article, EPA could burden industries, consumers. After reading with interest the recent editorial, the latest of several similar editorials and letters published this year in the Arizona Daily Star, I wondered more about who supports and who opposes the more stringent fine particulate matter, PM2.5, air pollution standards proposed by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Established in 1970 by President Nixon, the EPA's mission is to protect human health and the environment. The Clean Air Act, CAA, of 1970 authorized the EPA to establish national ambient air quality standards, NAAQS, to protect public health and public welfare and to regulate emissions of hazardous air pollutants. Particulate matter air pollution, especially from fine particles 2.5 microns in diameter or smaller, is of particular health concern. Most of the atmospheric fine particle pollution is from the burning of carbon-based fuels. RAWSEP names one carbon-based fuel, wood burning, including from wildfires worsened by climate change and from fossil fuel combustion. The principal cause of climate change. The adverse health effects of PM2.5 pollutants include heart attacks and strokes, lung cancer, asthma, cognitive impairment and dementia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, preterm birth, low birth weight, and fetal and infant mortality. There is no safe threshold for fine particle air pollution. Tighter particulate matter air pollution standards could result in the avoidance of 9,200 premature deaths per year, 580,000 lost workdays per year, and $95 billion in health benefits in 2032. So who should we trust with protecting the air we breathe for our better health? United Kingdom. Will Prescott. How to deliver cleaner air in a socially just way. Conservative home PM2.5 per hour as a heavy goods vehicle. Such stoves also emit over 450 times more PM2.5 emissions per hour than a gas boiler. How to deliver cleaner air in a socially just way. January 1, 2024. This article was written by a researcher at Bright Blue. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to residents against WoodSmoke emission particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Despite representing one of the greatest threats to public health, domestic wood burning, is responsible for up to 43,000 deaths in the UK each year. The harmful effects of air pollution are felt across people's lifetimes, from infancy to old age, and increases the risk of dementia and many types of cancer. Those negative consequences fall most heavily on England's deprived areas. The two sectors that are especially responsible for air pollution in deprived areas are transport and domestic burning. As mentioned, domestic burning is one key source of air pollution. Thanks to its growing popularity, domestic burning is now the largest single contributor of annual total emissions of the pollutant PM2.5 in the UK. This is particularly significant because of that pollutant's ability to reach into the lungs and the bloodstream. Policies to reduce pollution from domestic burning, though relatively uncontroversial, have proven ineffective. For example, even the new, less polluting eco-designed stoves, the only wood-burning stoves that can now be sold in England, still emit 750 times the amount of PM2.5 per hour as a heavy goods vehicle. Such stoves also emit over 450 times more PM2.5 emissions per hour than a gas boiler. Unfortunately, the domestic burning problem has only been worsening in recent years, with PM2.5 emissions from it increasing by 35% between 2010 and 2020. People often associate domestic burning with a homely feel, with some even seeing it as more environmentally friendly than gas heating. Luckily, those problems, too, can be addressed by sound policy. For one, by adding warning labels to new and existing stoves stating the harms caused by domestic burning, as well as permitting local authorities to ban domestic burning on days when air pollution reaches levels that are harmful to human health. We can both protect public and go some to altering the favorable perceptions surrounding domestic burning. Exemptions would be available for the very small number of households with no alternative source of heating. Additionally, we should mandate that only stoves compliant with Nordic emission standards for new stoves, which emit less than half the maximum emissions of PM2.5 than eco-design stoves do. This would further reduce the harm caused by new stoves. Coming up with policies that successfully balance both the need to reduce air pollution and to protect the most vulnerable has so far proven challenging. However, if we want to slay the invisible killer that is air pollution, we need policies that ensure no one is left behind. Bright Blue's new report offers ways of doing just that. United Kingdom. Cozy wood-burning fires are a pollution hazard. The Times wood-burning fires also release polluting gases including carbon dioxide. Dr. Gary Fuller, an air quality expert at Imperial College London, says, in fact, domestic wood-burning is now the single biggest source of small particle air pollution in the UK, even worse than road traffic, and in 2020 accounted for 25% of the UK's entire PM2.5 emissions. Wood-burning fires also release polluting gases including carbon dioxide. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against WoodSmoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. United Kingdom, Urban 360. How do we know if the air we are breathing is bad? 3 tips to monitor air quality effectively. United Kingdom, University of Manchester. Air quality news. PM stands for particulate matter and is detected based on its size. How do we know if the air we are breathing is bad? By Professor James Evans, Dr. Thomas Bannon, Professor David Topping, and Dr. Jamie Anderson from Urban 360. Recently, the World Health Organization reduced the recommended limits for different pollutants because evidence now indicates that there is no safe level of air pollution. But how can we find out how bad the air is that we are breathing? We need to understand the problem in order to be able to do something about it. Without monitoring air quality effectively, efforts to improve it can be misdirected, costly, and ultimately ineffective. Is it reliable? The UK government recently launched MCRTS, which is a national certification for air quality sensors that offers a guarantee of their reliability. We have helped local authorities identify existing sensors and data that can massively reduce the cost of monitoring. Monitoring air quality is becoming important to evaluate the effectiveness of different kinds of schemes and technologies to tackle air pollution. We need more monitoring of air quality in order to diagnose problems accurately and fix them quickly. This is work we can help with. Urban 360 provides seamless integrated monitoring for outdoor air quality, and as a spin-out company from the University of Manchester, we provide scientific levels of rigor, credibility, and analysis. https://urban360.com Arizona, Phoenix. Hazardous air quality in Phoenix kicks off 2024. 12 news after a night full of fireworks and wood burning to keep warm. The Sky Phoenix. The Phoenix metro area is kicking off 2024 with smoke and haze. Arizona. ADEC issues Weekend Valley High Pollution Advisory. Daily Independent. Metro Creative Connection. Wood-burning fireplaces are among the activities the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality is saying to Arizona, Maricopa County. No Burn Day starts off the new year in Maricopa County, and it's not just the fireworks, AZ family woodbinning as well. Arizona, Phoenix. Metro Phoenix sees pollution advisory to start 2024. Here's what to know about air quality AZ Central. Monday's PM2.5 or smoke forecast for the Phoenix area was listed at 176, which exceeds the federal health standard. At the levels we're Arizona, Phoenix. Hazardous air quality in Phoenix kicks off 2024. 12 news wood burning to keep warm, according to AirNow. There is a pollution advisory in effect and a no-burn day as well. The Phoenix metro area air. California. Beverly Hills. No burn order extended in Beverly Hills. Patch residents in the affected areas are reminded that burning wood in their fireplaces or indoor or outdoor wood burning device is prohibited. California. Malibu. No burn order extended in Malibu. Patch no burn order extended in Malibu, California. Residents in the affected areas are reminded that burning wood in their fireplaces or indoor or California. Marin residents asked to avoid firewood. Fireworks this weekend. Mill Valley, California. Patch Bay Area, CA. Wood smoke is the major source of air pollution in the Bay Area in the wintertime and is especially harmful to children, the elderly. However, wood burning through the New Year's holiday would significantly impact localized areas and neighborhoods. It would also significantly. California, Mountain View. Air District strongly discourages wood burning over New Year's. Mountain View voiced the Bay Area Air Quality Management District as strongly. California, Oakland. Fire starts under Oakland Freeway overpasses near Wood Street encampment. KTVU smoke from the fire underneath the two Bay Area freeways billowed into the Oakland sky on Monday morning. Video from the scene shows a pile-on. California, Redlands. Encouraging fiscal responsibility in California. Redlands Daily Facts wood burning ban extended for Southern California. Fireplace wood burning ban extended for Southern California. 8 places to take your annoying. California, Redlands. This garden designer's new book offers so much illuminating information. Redlands Daily Facts wood burning ban extended for Southern California. Fireplace wood burning ban extended for Southern California. California, Redondo Beach. AES power plant in Redondo Beach retired. Redevelopment hangs in the future. Daily breeze. All of the state's ocean-cooled, gas-fired power generators were scheduled to close at the end of 2020. Wood burning extended through Tuesday in California, Riverside County. Ban on wood burning extended across much of Riverside County. Murrieta, California. Patch. The ban was extended through Friday due to a forecast of high air pollution in the area. It applies to indoor and outdoor wood burning. California, San Francisco Bay Area. Bay Area Air District strongly discourages wood burning over New Year's weekend. NBC Bay Area. But both wood smoke and fireworks smoke can cause unhealthy spikes in air pollution. Get a weekly recap of the latest. San Francisco Bay Area. California, San Francisco Bay Area. Air Quality District hopes public resolves not to light wood fires over New Year's weekend. MSN air quality is projected to be moderate for the Bay Area during that time, but that could change if people begin to create wood smoke. California, San Francisco Bay Area. Air District strongly discourages wood burning over New Year's. News. Almanac Online. The Bay Area Air Quality Management District is strongly. California, Southland. Wood burning ban extended through Friday in Southland. MindWslaw.com. A ban on indoor and outdoor wood burning in much of the Southland has been extended through Friday due to a forecast of high air pollution in the California, Southland. Wood burning ban extended through Friday in Southland Regional. WestsideCurrent.com. Los Angeles. A ban on indoor and outdoor wood burning in much of the Southland has been extended through Friday due to a forecast of high air. Illinois, Coles County, Loxa. Firefighters from 6 departments called in for Loxa House Fire. JG-TC.com. Burning wetwood produces smoke and creosote. Don't burn driftwood. The salt content in driftwood damages a chimney structure. Avoid evergreen wood. Lincoln fire crews were assisted by personnel from the Charleston Fire Department and the Ashmore, Cooks Mills, Humboldt, and Hutton Fire Protection Districts, plus Coles Moultrie 911 and the Coles County Sheriff's Office. Oregon, Portland. Find solace in the natural beauty of Casco Bay at this simply beautiful shore road home. The Portland Press-Herald. Wood-burning fireplace. Located 10 minutes drive to downtown Portland or Sandy Beaches, 20 minutes to the airport. Video player. www Washington, Spokane. New state report, wildfire smoke increased death rate in Spokane. Across Washington, the Columbian. Wood burning, vehicles, trucks, trains, and dust from construction and agriculture. Because wildfire smoke is typically seasonal, the biggest cause. Washington, Spokane. Wildfire smoke increased death rate in Spokane compared to statewide metric, says new state report the spokesman review. Besides wildfire, other sources of these fine particulates in Spokane include residential wood burning, vehicles, trucks, trains, and dust from Wisconsin, Fond du Lac County. 7 people escape house fire in Fond du Lac County by Sergeant Gregory Anderson, Washington County Insider. Shortly after the arrival of the initial responding fire units, flames were seen spreading through the floor near the wood-burning chimney. United Kingdom, Yorkshire. Incident Bulletin, December 31, 2023, day shift. North Yorkshire Fire and Rescue Service fire crews extinguished a storage unit/bookcase on fire in the utility room after ashes recently removed from a wood burner ignited the item via South Africa. Zandile Mafe was accused of burning down the Parliament building. NBC right now wood-burning stove causes shop fire in Spokane, multi-car crash outside of Hermiston Eve, several injured on Christmas Day, a man in Raffamorns. China, Shanghai. Extra trains laid on to handle New Year holiday rush. Shine News, Shanghai daily from tonight to tomorrow. The city will be slightly polluted with a haze, according to local ecological officials. The main pollutant will be PM2.5. Mauritius, an island near India. January 31, 23 fire damages FDL County Home Radio Plus. When firefighters arrived, 7 occupants had safely escaped the burning structure. The fire started near a wood-burning chimney and fire damage was. India, Delhi. Air quality continues to be severe in Delhi, maximum at 19.8 degrees Celsius. Yes, Punjab. The PM2.5 at Okhla Phase 2 was recorded at 431 in the severe category. United States. Hazardous air quality kicking off 2024. YouTube Happy New Year. With all of fireworks and wood burning for warmth, the air quality on the first day of 2024 is very poor. India, Delhi. Delhi welcomes 2024 with shallow fog, very poor air. Z Business. The AQI monitoring station at Dwarka Sector 8 recorded PM2.5 at 373 in the very poor category, while PM10 was at 262 or poor, while the CO was at. India, Kolkata. Kolkata's air worsens on New Year's Day due to bursting of firecrackers. Business Standard. Immediately after the midnight celebrations, the air quality index, PM2.5, turned 250 in some southern and northern parts of the city. With smog. India, Kolkata. Kolkata's air quality worsens on New Year's Day. Air pollution. Banega Swast, India. Ind TV. After the bursting of firecrackers during New Year's Day celebrations at midnight, PM2.5 turned 250 in some southern and northern parts of India, Delhi. 2023. Air Quality Perspective in Delhi. Press Information Bureau. The year 2023 has thus witnessed the lowest ever recorded daily average values for PM10 and the second-best PM2.5 concentrations, barring the COVID. India, Calcutta. Calcutta's air quality worsens on New Year's Day due to firecrackers. Telegraph. India. Immediately after the midnight celebrations, the air quality index, PM2.5, turned 250 in some southern and northern parts of the city. India, Delhi. Delhi welcomes 2024 with mild weather, shallow fog, affecting visibility. Weather.com. The air quality at Anand Vihar entered the very poor category with PM2.5 at 331 in the poor category. India. Air quality deteriorates in many Bihar cities with dip in mercury. Daily Pioneer. PM2.5, particulate matter less than 2.5 microns. India, New Delhi. New Delhi. 2023. Air Quality Perspective in Delhi. Global Green News. PM2.5 and PM10 values in Delhi. United States. Tremendously damaging. Here's the most aggressive restrictions Biden's EPA pushed. The Daily Caller. PM2.5 is the most demonstrable science fraud going on at the EPA. Steve Milloy, a senior legal fellow for the Energy and Environment Legal. California. Wood burning ban now extended through Friday. Yahoo burning on no-burn days. Smoke from wood burning can cause health problems. Particles in wood smoke known as PM2.5. California, Calabasas. No burn order extended in Calabasas. Patch wood in their fireplaces or indoor or outdoor wood burning device is prohibited. Fine particles in wood smoke, also known as particulate matter, or California, Los Angeles. Wood burning ban, indoor and outdoor, extended through Friday. Los Angeles Times. The ban on burning wood began Christmas Day and was extended Thursday until 11:59 p.m. Friday, according to the South Coast Air Quality Management. California, Los Angeles. Wood burning ban now extended through Friday. KTLA. The alert also prohibits using manufactured fire logs, such as those made from wax or paper, from burning on no-burn days. Smoke from wood burning. The ban on burning wood began Christmas Day and was extended Thursday until 11:59 p.m. Friday, according to the South Coast Air Quality Management. California, Los Angeles, Inland Empire. Wood burning ban extended through Friday in Inland Empire. MindWSlaw.com. A ban on indoor and outdoor wood burning in much of the Inland Empire has been extended through Friday due to a forecast of high air pollution. California, Orange County. Fireplace wood burning ban extended for Southern California. Orange County. Register burning wood in fireplaces or any indoor or outdoor wood burning device is prohibited, as is burning manufactured fire logs, such as those made. California, San Francisco. San Francisco air quality officials urge public to forego wood burning during New Year's festivities. Headline. Still, the agency warns that burning wood during these festivities could seriously degrade the atmosphere in localized areas, not to mention California, San Francisco Bay Area. Burning wood over New Year's weekend discouraged by Bay Area air quality regulators. CBS News. But both wood smoke and fireworks smoke can cause unhealthy spikes in air pollution. For up-to-the-minute air conditions and information on spare Air. California, San Francisco. Air District strongly discourages wood burning over New Year's. SF-Gate. The Air District is asking residents not to burn wood in their fireplaces, wood stoves, or outdoor fire pits through the New Year's holiday. Air. California, San Francisco Bay Area, Napa Valley. Bay Area Air District discourages wood burning on New Year's weekend. The Napa Valley Register. Wood smoke. The Air District did note that it is not illegal, but both wood smoke and fireworks smoke can cause unhealthy spikes in air pollution. San Francisco Bay Area. Bay Area Air District requests a no-burn, no fireworks New Year's News. DailyRepublic.com. Wood smoke is the major source of air pollution in the Bay Area in the wintertime and is especially harmful to children, the elderly, and people with California, Santa Clarita. IQMD extends wood burning ban December 28, 2023. SCVnews.com. The South Coast Air Quality Management District has extended a mandatory wood burning ban for residents in the South Coast Air Basin. California, Santa Clarita. Wood burning ban extended another day. KHDS radio. Smoke from wood burning can cause health problems. Particles in wood smoke, also known as fine particulate matter or PM2.5, can get deep into the lungs and cause respiratory problems, including California, Santa Rosa. Air District urges Bay Area residents to not burn wood, light fireworks through New Year's. The Press Democrat. Though wood burning is strongly discouraged, a spare the air alert is not in effect, and wood burning is not illegal. California, Southern California. Southern California wood burning ban extended through Friday. Odyssey. The residential wood burning ban will be in effect until Friday for all those in the South Coast Air Basin, including the non-desert portions. India, Bangalore. There's a twist in air purity levels. Bangalore mirror in the case of PM2.5 levels. While Mysore Road Station recorded a drop of nearly 40% in the concentration, Hebel Monitoring Station recorded a PM2.5 and epithelial cells cadmium and particulate matter toxicity in a bronchial epithelial cell model. Medical Express particulate matter 2.5. January 13, 2022. Ultrafine particles from traffic alter gene expression in human olfactory cells. Study finds. November 14, 2023. PM2.5 and fireworks. Health and environmental advocates push for non-use of firecrackers and fireworks to Journal Online. Inhaling PM2.5, Limpin said, can be very harmful as these fine particles can travel deep into the respiratory tract and the lungs. For instance, India, Delhi. Air quality continues to be severe in Delhi, maximum at 19.8 degrees Celsius. Manaf. The PM2.5 at Okhla Phase 2 was recorded at 431 in the severe category.